Today, we're untangling the web of online mortgage access, specifically, how to easily and securely log in to your Nationwide mortgage account. First things first, let's navigate to the official Nationwide mortgage website. A quick search on your preferred search engine will do the trick, or you can directly type in the web address. Make sure you're on the legitimate Nationwide site. Always double check the URL for security. Once you're on the home page, look for the login area, usually located in the top right corner or a prominent position on the screen. Click on the login button to start the process. This is where you'll enter your credentials. Now comes the entry of username and password. Type your username into the designated field. If you have forgotten your username, calmly select the forgot username link. This will begin the retrieval process. Upon clicking the forgot username prompt, the website will lead you through a verification process and provide guidance based on your account's security settings. This might involve answering security questions or using a verification code sent to your email address or phone. Follow the provided instructions to regain access to your username. Remember to always keep all personal information protected while following the prompts process. Let's move forward. If you remember your username, the next step is entering your password, and carefully re-enter your password into its respective field. If prompted to forgot password, or if you're struggling with resetting your password, click the corresponding link, and the website will walk you through the steps to reset it securely. Commonly, this involves answering security questions or confirming your identity through a verification code. Always use a strong password, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your username and password correctly, and click login, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can manage your mortgage payments, view statements, and update your personal details. Always review your account activity regularly. Stay secure, and never share your login information with others.